These are not your average work gloves for kids. Before I tell you how great these are, they come in a pack of two pairs per pack. These were gifted to us from the seller, and we were gifted with each of the colors they offer and in the size extra small. My children you see here are aged 10, 8, and 6. These fit each of them well. They are form-fitting, making my kids feel secure in wearing them because they do fit so well. Now let's talk about the material. These gloves are made with a special material that's free of fiberglass and latex. That means they're perfect for kiddos with sensitive skin. These gloves are ANSI A6 cut resistant, which is a fancy way of saying they offer some of the highest levels of shielding in their class. So whether your child's a master chef in the making or a helper in the garden, these gloves will give you a peace of mind and maximum comfort for your child. With great resistance, they are comfortable and breathable. Oh, and I washed and dried these in my washer and dryer, and they held up perfectly and look and feel as good as when we opened them. Them coming in a pack of 2, you could keep one pair in the kitchen and the other ready for yard work. My kids love to cook. They love to come up with recipe ideas and are very hands-on in the kitchen. With these gloves, I wasn't worried about them using the sharp kitchen tools. They even seem to gain more confidence when using the kitchen tools because of these gloves. These have also made yard work much easier for them. Pulling weeds with gloves that are a snug fit and resistant, game changer. They have actually enjoyed yard work because of these gloves. My 6-year-old didn't even want to take these off. He even used them for riding his bike. They're great and are used daily at our house. We highly recommend them.